Hey guys, today in this video we will learn about flow meters, its mechanism, type of flow meters and how to read a mechanical type flow meter. So let's begin. There are many type of flow meters depending on their purpose of using them. So there are many type of flow meters such as velocity flow meter, positive displacement type that works on Coriolis principle, mass flow meter, open channel flow meter and mechanical type flow meter. Most commonly used type of flow meter is mechanical type flow meter. So let's know what is a mechanical type flow meter. So as we said, this is the most common and economical type of flow meter. They measure water flow through turbine rotation with propeller shunt or handle wheel design. Now let's run how to read a mechanical type flow meter. Reading a flow meter is quite similar to reading a clock, but with readings of hundreds. Now look at this clock with reading 1990 meter cube. So this box shows the reading in kiloliters and 1 kiloliter equals to 1000 liter. That means 1990 kiloliters. Now if we convert this into the liters, then 19,90,000 liters. Now moving to the drum that has reading 0 to 9, it shows 100 liters. One reading is equal to 100 liter, and when it completes a whole round, it means 1 kiloliter water passed through it. Now moving to the other drum, also with the reading 0 to 9, it shows 10 liter. When it completes one round, it means 100 liter of water flows through the meter. So this is how we read a water meter. So this is it for the video. So to get more informative videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.